Today we're going to be doing some more consonant cluster review, and we're going to focus on the consonant clusters FR that says fr, DR that says dr, and TR that says tr. So we have fr, dr, and tr. We're going to read these words, and I want you to think about what you notice about the words and what sounds you hear at the beginning of each of them. Train, drink, frog, trip, fresh, tractor, drum, friends, dress, front, trick, and drip. Think about what you notice about all of these words. If you said that you notice they all have a consonant cluster at the beginning of them, you are correct. They also all have an R in them. The second or third letter in every word is an R. So let's go ahead and sort these based on the sounds that they make. We have drink, drink. Does that go under fr, dr, or tr? Dr, drink. That goes under dr. Let's do the next word. Train. Do we hear fr, dr, or tr? Train. We hear tr, dr. Let's do the next one. Drum. Drum. Do we hear fr, dr, or tr? We hear dr. Fresh. Fresh. Do we hear fr, dr, or tr? We hear fr, fresh. What about trip? Which one does trip go under? FR, DR, or TR? TR, trip. We have friends, friends. That goes under FR. There's an FR in the beginning and we hear that sound. What about tractor? Tractor. You're right, we hear tractor. What about trick? Yep, we hear tr again. What about dress? Dress. Do we hear fr, dr, or tr? We hear dr, dress. What about front? Front. We hear fr, dr, or tr? Fr, front. And frog also goes under FR. And drip. Drip goes under DR. Consonant clusters are groups of 2 or 3 consonants in a word. In all of these words, they are in the beginning. Remember also, when you read these words, you can usually hear each letter. F, R, E, sh, fresh. You can hear the F and the R in the sounds they make very clearly. Assignment, I am going to give you a consonant cluster, and you're going to select the word that has that consonant cluster in it.